Hey everybody, welcome to our kitchen. My name is Luke. This is my sous chef. What's your name?
Hazel Cohen, Hockaday H4.
H4. My other sous chef is Houston. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And here we thought we'd do a little cooking video during this pandemic, and a couple things that I love to do is cook, grill, and most importantly eat. So today we're gonna do my wife, who's got the camera, named Tessa. This is one of her favorite things. It's called pot stickers, and it's really easy to make. So what we got here, Hazel's gonna help mix, but we got a pound of sausage. We got about 2 cups of, I just use coleslaw mix, but it's just cabbage and carrots. Sometimes I'll slice them, but it's easy just to do this. And then we got about a cup of green onion and some other spices. So we're gonna get everything in the bowl. I know, here, let me see this. All right, we're gonna get everything in the bowl here. Okay, I'm actually gonna only use half of that, that's too much. Then we're gonna use the green onion. Okay. We got some ground ginger here. Give it a little Asian flair.
Oh my gosh, you're using yacht.
We got some garlic. Okay. We got some ground black pepper. We're gonna get quite a bit of that. We're not gonna put any salt because we're gonna use some soy sauce, and it's already got the salt in it, so we don't want it to be too salty. And what we're gonna do with the soy sauce is just mix it enough just to keep it still a little bit wet. We want our dumplings to still be a little bit moist. All right, I'm gonna start mixing it up, and then we'll let you just kind of finish it, okay, Hayes? Hold on, let me get it going here a little bit. Okay, Hayes, do you want to help mix?
I love it.
Okay, make sure. Did you wash your hands?
Yep.
All right, go ahead.
Mommy. Oh my gosh. It's cold.
Is it cold?
Yes.
How are we looking? Let me see. All right, we need to add a little bit more soy sauce in it.
No way.
All right.
Mommy.
Here, I'll kind of get it back going. All right, so this is about what it should look like. If you want to zoom in here, that's about what the pot sticker should look like. So this is going to be the filling. You can put this in the fridge, cover it overnight, or we're just going to go ahead because we're going to have some of these for dinner. We're going to go ahead and stuff them. So that'll be next. All right, everybody. Now the next step of making pot stickers is filling them. So my beautiful bride Tessa and Hazel are going to start filling the pot stickers. We use these right there, the just wonton wrappers that you can buy at pretty much any grocery store. The stuffing, we got a little bowl of water to make sure that they stick, and a spoon. And go ahead, girls.
So the first thing you're going to do is get your finger wet and get all 4 sides
I need one more.
wet. Okay, one side frame. Okay, Hayes is going to do one too. And then you just want to take the perfect amount
I will.
and put it right in the middle, like that.
I'm actually gonna.
And then you're just going to take the 2 corners
Oh, I know.
and squeeze them together. Like that, and then put them on the pan.
All right. Okay, so now what we're gonna do to finish these off is we're gonna do a little pan fry. Okay, so we're gonna put just a thin layer of some sort of oil. I'm just using vegetable oil. Just at the bottom of the pan, a pretty good amount, because we want to get a good browning. Get it even. Pan is on medium and to high heat. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put them in here. They should start sizzling right when you put them in. And we want them to get just brown on the bottom, but not burnt. Okay, so I'm gonna get as many of these as I can in here without burning your finger. Okay, and we're gonna just let them fry for a few, just about 30 seconds to a minute. Pretty quick, and they should look just like that. So that's really all we want to do. Make sure the last ones I put in there need to go just a couple more minutes, or a couple more seconds here. But this is going to go pretty quick. Perfect, golden brown. And then what we want to do, we want to just add just a little bit of water. And we're going to put that just right there in the middle. And then we're just going to let them steam just for about 4 to 5 minutes, just so we can cook that pork in there. So hang on and we'll be right back to eat them. They've been steaming for about 4 to 5 minutes. So we're going to take it off. If you want to come in here, it's popping pretty good, but you should see the bottom perfectly brown. Let's get another one. See that? And they're steamed. And so now we're going to get them off and plate them. And now the best part is we get to eat them. This is what we made tonight. We made potstickers, we got rice, and we have some orange chicken. We've had in the past with ramen noodles and Mongolian beef. That's been good. But let me know what you guys think about this recipe. Would love to hear what you guys are making during this pandemic, and give me a shout. Would love to hear from you. Thanks, guys.